Hello friends, welcome again on the freeproject.com, and this is my new project, the vehicle registration system. And for technology stack, I have developed this project in Java JSP and database, which I am using is the MySQL. You can also deploy the database with the MariaDB, and it will work perfectly with this project. For the IDE, I have not used any of the IDE to develop this project. I have written this code normally in the Notepad++ type of editor, means normal simple text editor. But you can easily configure this project in Eclipse or the NetBeans platform, or what the Java platform you have. You can easily configure this project. But this project will work perfectly on the Eclipse and the NetBeans platform. And for server, I have used the Tomcat 7 server, and Java version is 1.8 and the Tomcat server is Tomcat 7 and MySQL server is MySQL 5.6. For connecting the database with the MySQL, I am using the MySQL connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website. And for front end part, I have used the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And this is the simple bootstrap theme also, means this is the mobile responsive theme, and you can easily view this project also in the mobile view. And if we talk about the other JavaScript library, then I am using the jQuery library for giving some good effects, just like creating the sliders and the drop down menus and others, just like creating the form validations. So this is all about the project technology stack and the project operations. So let's start with the project functionality you go through. Okay, so this is the homepage of the project, and this is the slider, and you can change the image according to your need. So there are two types of roles available in this project. The first role is the admin and second role is the customer. The customer will be able to register inside the system, while the admin will be able to see the list of all customers as well as all the vehicles of that customers. The purpose of this project is customer will be able to register their bought vehicles in this application, and admin will be able to update the status of that vehicle. That vehicle is just like the registration of that status has been completed or not. So this is the main concept of this project. So let's start. So this is the about us section and the registration section. So what you want to do, so customer registration, then click on the customer registration, and customer will be able to fill the details from here. And after that, customer will be able to add their any number of vehicles. This is the login section. Again, there are two logins, admin login and the customer login. So once you click on the admin login, the admin login form will be open, and once you click on the customer login, the customer login form will be open. So you can see in the admin login, the registration link is not here because admin can't be registered. Admin will be created by another admin only. Admin will not be able to register by themselves. And if I click on the customer login, then you can see this is the customer login registration form from where customer will be able to register inside the system. This is the contact us page. So this is the static contact us page, and the data of this uh, contact us form is not saving anywhere in the database. So this is the contact us page. And let's go from the login section. This is the customer login, and I'm going inside the system using the customer details. And if I change the username and password, then it's showing the message invalid user ID and password. So if you have the correct user credentials, then you will be able to log in, or you will not be able to log in, right? So once you click on the login, then after login, the above menu will be changed. You can see this menu are different, and once I click on the logout, then above menus are different. So this is the rule based menu. So if the customer is a login, then customer will be able to see his menu section. If admin is login, then admin will be able to see his menu section. So this is a totally session and role based menu section. So again, I am login as a customer. So this is the home and add vehicle, my account. So once I click on the add vehicle, then what the customer will be able to do, the customer will be able to add the vehicle number, the model number, vehicle type, chassis number, and the company, registration date, vehicle image, and the description. So this is all about the vehicle, and a customer can own a number of vehicles. And once customer click on the my vehicles, now the customer is owning two vehicles, and the vehicle number is registration date. And once he click on the, and what is the status, this is a status completed, means the registration process is completed, but the registration process of this vehicle is still in pending state. And once customer click on the edit, customer will not be able to update the status from here. The up for, you can see there are 8 fields here, right? If I log in from the from admin account, then you will be able to see some of the fields will be increased here, right? So status of this vehicles will only and only be updated by the admin, not by the customer. And one more thing, customer will be able to see his vehicle details only. Customer will not be able to see the other vehicles details, right? And this is the my account section, from where customer will be able to update his account details. And this is the logout section. Once customer log out from the system, then customer will not be able to see or access the internal functionality. Now click on the login, and I'm going to log in inside the system as an admin. Click on the admin, and I'm logging as an admin. So you can see the menu are different, right? Here there's my administration, and these also the dashboard page is also different. So this menu is coming according to the admin permissions. So let's go through the menu one by one. This is the add system user. So as I already told you that a admin can add any number of admins, means admin can't register themselves, right? Admin will be able to, the first admin will be able to add the other admin, right? System user report. So there are 6 system user available in the system. And after the customer reports, there are 2 customers, right? And also admin will be able to update the customer details here. And again the vehicle report. So customer will, as admin will be able to see the all of the vehicles. So you can see admin will be able to see all of the 4 vehicle details, but that Amit will be able to, now 2 vehicles is belongs to Kaushal Kishore, and 2 vehicles belongs to Amit Kumar. So at the beginning time, I had registered as a customer with admin Amit account, and I was able to see the 2 vehicles only, that and this one, right? And once I click on the edit, this is in processing is an edit. And as I already told you, there are some extra fields here. This is the processing, and once I click on completed and click on the save vehicle, then this is the completed state, means registration of this vehicle has been completed. And if I log out from this section and log in as an Amit's account, then I will be able to see that the Amit, this vehicle has been, the registration has been completed. This is the change password, from where admin will be able to change his password. And this is the logout section, from where the session will be destroyed and from the browser, and admin will not be able to access the internal functionality of the project. So this is all about the vehicle registration system, and which I had developed in Java JSP and MySQL, and front-end admin design in the and in the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and some of the jQuery library. And this is the simple bootstrap theme, so you can easily view it in the mobile or the tab. So this is all about my vehicle registration system. And if you need more functionality in this project, just put it in the comment. I will incorporate those changes in my project. And don't forget to subscribe our channel freeproject.com to get the latest project video updates on your email ID directly. Thanks. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.